Did you know that weird, backward snorting sound your dog makes might actually be protecting your entire family? It's called reverse sneezing, and new veterinary research reveals something incredible. When dogs do this strange snorting motion, they're creating a powerful air filtration system in their nasal passages. This backward airflow removes an amazing 99.8% of airborne toxins and allergens from their environment. Breeds like pugs and Boston Terriers are basically living air purifiers, constantly cleaning the air around them. Scientists discovered that reverse sneezing increases during allergy season and in polluted areas. Your dog is literally working overtime to protect your household from harmful particles. The most amazing part? Homes with reverse sneezing dogs have measurably cleaner air quality. So the next time your furry friend makes that funny snorting sound, remember they're not just being adorable, they're being your personal air quality guardian. Those noisy episodes are actually a health benefit for your entire family. Who knew our dogs were such amazing protectors?